Now we're going to see the derivative of inverse function of cosine y, cosine x. So y is equal to cosine to the minus 1 of x, or arc cosine x. If you think you can do it, stop the video now and let's continue to see we have the same result. And I hope you can do this if you have seen the previous video of the inverse function, the derivative of the inverse function of sine of x. So here we have x is equal to cosine y, implicit differentiation, 1 is equal to minus sine y dy dx. So dy dx is equal to minus 1 over sine y. Remember, square sine of y plus square cosine y is equal to 1. So sine square y is equal to 1 minus square cosine of y. Sine y is equal to square root of 1 minus square cosine y. So we have minus 1 divided by square root of 1 minus square cosine of y. And what's cosine of y? X. So minus 1 divided by square root of 1 minus square x. And if you compare this to the derivative of inverse function of sine of x, when y is equal to sine to the minus 1 of x, dy dx was 1 divided by the square root of 1 minus square x. So the derivative of the inverse function of sine of x and x of x and cosine of x are the same, just with different signs.